All right, welcome to the tutorial video where we're going to walk through how you should mint. Now, however you get to wherever you go, if you want to mint a Holiday Ape Club NFT, you're going to need to follow the official links. And the official links, let's say you're going through Twitter. You always want to go to Discord. Remember, always go through Discord. And when you go to Discord, you're always going to want to go to the official links channel. So here we are. We're going to Discord. And there's the crying guy. You get dropped into the general chat. But when you get into Discord here, always follow your official links. So once you follow the official links, you'll get here and you'll go to the Holiday Ape Club for the official website. And we're going to also load up the link to the minting site here as well. And we'll also get down here in the minting info. We'll have the minting site. We're going to update this right before we go live so that it takes you to the official site as well. So that's two ways you can get there. Make sure you're going through Discord to get that done. So when you follow that link, you're going to get here to the Holiday Ape Club. Now, the first thing you're going to do is you're going to need to connect your wallet. So up here, you're going to click on Connect. And this will pop open your MetaMask. And when you get this popped up, you're going to need to make sure that this is your wallet. If you have MetaMask, this is going to be automatically in place. And then once you get here, you make sure that your MetaMask account is connected to our minting site. And then you'll see that you're connected. So you get that nice connected icon on the upper right. Very nice theme here. Once you're connected, then you're going to go ahead and pick how many you want to mint. Maybe you need the one mint that'll get you exclusive access to our content that is going to help you make money, that's going to give you DeFi knowledge, that's going to help you on your crypto journey along the way. Maybe you want to get another one to invest. Maybe you're looking to get multiple. However many you're going to get, make sure you have enough. Each one is going to be 0.5 ETH. So you're going to pay that, plus you're going to pay a little gas. So make sure you have enough ETH in your wallet, and then when you're done with that, you're going to click on Mint. Just click it once. When you get down here, you'll have to confirm. So you'll get this here. It should make sense. You're getting, like, for instance, clicked on 4. 0.05 times 4 is 0.2. So I expect to pay 0.2. Then we have our gas fees. You want to try to minimize those. But if you have any questions, feel free to ping us in Discord and we'll help you out through that. But this is the important part. Make sure you're only clicking confirm once. And once you click that confirm button, usually what happens is this pop-up should pop up saying, please wait until the transaction is confirmed. And this is here because these things will process and you don't even see it really coming on screen. The confirmed transaction icon will pop up. There's a little MetaMask icon that popped up for me on my other screen. And I clicked on that just to show you that, now we have the completed transaction. So again, click the mint once. Once you click on mint once, then go down here to confirm. Only click on that confirm one time, and you should be good to go. When you're done with all that, you can go into the Holiday Ape Club, and if you click on your profile, you should be able to see something. That's the tutorial. Good luck out there, and thanks for being part of the Holiday Ape Club community. We'll see you soon.